In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving. If you're stuck waiting for that one-time code and nothing shows up, don't worry. We'll walk through a clean checklist that resolves the most common causes, from number formatting to connection resets, so you can get verified and back to your chats. Start by auditing the phone number you entered in WhatsApp. Choose the correct country from the dropdown so the country code is set automatically, and make sure the rest of your number is typed exactly as your carrier expects it. Don't add extra zeros after the country code, and avoid spaces, dashes, or special characters. If your number normally begins with a leading zero, remove that zero once the country code is applied. Double check you're verifying the line that can actually receive SMS on this device. Next, pull down your phone's control panel and switch on airplane mode. Leave it on for a solid 15 seconds to fully drop your radio connections, then turn it off and wait until your signal bars return. This quick reset forces your device to re-register with the network, which often clears temporary routing hiccups that block shortcode texts like verification messages. After that, turn off Wi-Fi and try requesting the code strictly over mobile data. SMS is handled by your carrier, and disabling Wi-Fi helps ensure the phone prioritizes a fresh cellular connection. Look for LTE, 4G, or 5G in the status bar, then request the code again. If your signal is weak, step closer to a window or move to an area with better coverage before you try. Now open your default Messages app and check folders such as spam, junk, or blocked. Many phones automatically filter short code senders, so the text might already be sitting there. If you find it, unmark it as spam and remove any blocks so the next attempt lands in your main inbox. If you use a third-party SMS app, check its spam or blocked list as well. Finally, go to your phone's settings, open apps, find WhatsApp, tap permissions, and make sure SMS is explicitly set to allow. If you see a denied or ask every time option, switch it to allow so WhatsApp can detect the code text on your device when it arrives. When you retry, request the code once, then give it a moment. Avoid hammering the button repeatedly, as that can delay new codes. With these fixes, most verification issues resolve quickly. Good luck, and I hope this gets you signed in right away.